kami ng pizza. Tatlo lang kami guys, gutom na kami.
So, anong pizza natin for today, boss?
I don't know what kind of pizza it is.
This one is, I think, the meat lover, something, or super.
I think this is the
Super
meat lover. I don't know, I'm not sure.
This is the spicy, I guess.
And
Spicy.
then the chips here.
Chips.
We just eat there. Ang tawag nito mukbang. Di ba? Mukbang bang tawag?
Yeah, mukbang.
Mukbang kami guys, mukbang kami.
Nagutom po ang kakudkod ng sahig.
Si Carlos, yung bintana, yung glass. Ngayon nagbabakim na ako. Pero kailangan kami kumain dahil sa sobrang
Kailangan.
daming ginawa namin.
Wala na energy.
Wala na kami energy.
Yung vacuum, guys. Ito pa yung lilinisin namin lahat.
Dami ko dyan. Ito yata yung crispy
We're almost done, actually. Yummy.
Sarap. Kain ka na.
Alright.